Not happy with your current bathroom? Dream Bath Solutions will change that. The Burr Ridge Company gives you the opportunity to have a luxurious bathroom at a budget-friendly cost. Their unique stain-resistant, scratch-resistant surfaces come in a diverse range of 21 color options. Dream Bath Solutions custom remodeling services include showers, bathtubs, walk-in tubs, and full renovations. They can provide elegant enclosures that are fully transparent, highly durable, and resistant to scratches. Go to dreambathsolutions.com to find out more.